Got the best fish in town, man. Ain't that right? Best fish, best fish. Best fish in town. We in Harlem. Harlem, New York. Best fish in town. And we in Harlem, New York, man. Hey, pull up to the, what she say? What Cardi B say? Pull up to the bodega. I told him we in Harlem, New York.
You got the bodega?
Yep, come on.
What's in Harlem, New York? That's a place you can go.
Harlem, New York. Best fish in town. At the bodega.
You getting the chicken wings?
Let me get a fish sandwich the Aki way.
Aki. What kind of fish they got?
I don't know. Shit.
You don't know?
The fish they've been having for 20 years, that shit good though, whatever it is. Now, you see I'm recording. Why would you do that? I ain't never got sick. I gotta activate my credit card. Portia, I gotta activate my credit card. Can you pay for it?
Yeah.
I'm just playing. It's probably been sitting for a minute because it's at the end. Portia, how was that Harlem fish? Look, second bite. I seen it. Where we at now? Gyros.
Cholesterol. This is halal.
Ooh, there you go. You been to Philly? They got a halal Chinese food place in Philly. Black owned. They think everything halal.
You went to the gym now?
Huh? Crew members, after I left Gap, I was tired. I went home, took a nap. Let them know we're gonna be turning up at tomorrow.
At the casa.
At the mansion.
Yeah. We're gonna be playing ball mitten with saran wrap. There'll be prizes stored inside of the saran wrap. And you have to unravel it with mittens on. You ready for that?
That's gonna be fun.
And they're all gone.
It was only 4. Oh, we got a jalapeno, guy.
What kind of fish is this?
Flounder. Is that chicken right there?
Yeah.
That's the chicken? Oh, okay.
No fix? No fix? It's still
All
there?
right, we don't know what we got. We got to get up out of here, y'all.
Well, you gotta go to the gym.
Ooh,
So.
I do got to go to the gym. Oh, what's this?
A shawarma.
It's 2?
It's cutting it up. Cheers. Good night.
Chicken shawarmas with Portia, y'all. You want to give them the first reaction to it?
Yeah.
Okay, let them know how it is. Did you get some? Do we?
Greeks.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Go ask some Portia. I want some of the white sauce. I think it's inside. Probably.
Spicy.
I don't know where the white sauce is.
Well, I'm finna put you to the side like this, man. I'm finna get the crew members a taste of this. Portia, can they see me?
Yeah.
They can see me?
Yeah.
Give me some. Give me some of it. There's some ranch. So we putting ranch on burritos, y'all. First to ever do it.
Greek.
Oh, okay. Greek food, y'all. Let's try this. This is big, real big in Midwest, right? Real big in the Midwest. Let's taste it, y'all. Let's give it a shot, crew members.
That's what I'm looking for, that Greek taste.
Is it?
At the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Cucumber.
That's that turmeric though that I'm tasting. Definitely can taste that. Cumin? Yeah, I know it was cumin.
Make sure you use your spice rack, kids.
Definitely not something to get if you coming from the club and you want something greasy. You feel me?
No.
This ain't gonna hit the spot for you. It's gonna fuck your
But they
head
do
up.
have French fries.
Oh yeah. Oh, you could tell me because I be seeing gyros with French fries in it.
Mm-hmm.
So what else you got?
Nothing.
No, tell the crew members so they can. I don't want to like. He think I want to eat all their food, y'all.
I got a chicken kebab. Comes with a chicken skewer. I'll give you my sauce.
Can't go bad. I don't even feel bad eating this before going to the gym, y'all.
Very good.
Good. I might order another one of these before I go to the gym and probably still don't eat no calories.
Don't do that.
I don't give a damn about these white people. Next time we go into our peoples. Hello from the other side.